Lower back pain is very common. It can happen as a result of a strain, injury to muscles, or tendons in the back. Other causes can include arthritis or disc injuries. If your pain does not get better with rest, consult your physician. Physical therapy and medication may be prescribed depending on your individual situation. You can always reduce your risk of low back pain by maintaining a healthy weight and by staying active. Lower back pain can result from any number of different injuries, conditions, or even diseases, but, most often, it is a result of an injury to the muscles or tendons in the back. The pain can range anywhere from mild to severe. In some cases, pain can make it difficult or impossible to walk, sleep, work, or even do simple everyday activities. The lower back supports the weight of our upper body as well as aids mobility for everyday